Because of this cracking sound, I feel very relaxed.
Okay. Do you know why that cracky sound is occur? Okay, let me see over here.
Whenever the person bend their neck at the time due to the joint movement, the air bubble get formed in the fluid. Because of the bursting of the air bubble, the poppy sound get occur. But if the person forcefully bend their neck at the time, the inner lining of the blood vessel might be ruptured and it create the blood clot. Because of that blood clot traveling to the bloodstream, it get reach up to your brain region and it will lead to the blood flow becomes stopped and certain time in a rare cases the person may suffer from the stroke.